everybody. Started the morning off great here with Hunter. He smacked his first cow over the dogs with us, so that's exciting. Just had the one big male come in, but like I said, now these cows are dispersing and the pups are on their own. They're still kind of hanging with the parents, but they're kind of doing their own thing. And so we're out here thinning. It's probably our last weekend, and we're going to get to hunt cows of 2024 because then we'll start moving into archery antelope and then eventually archery elk. And dogs need a rest too. Come on, little shavers. Tankers. You always gotta give them water because it's hot. You don't want to get them, burn them out. Good mill, mister. You don't work hard enough to even deserve water.
Let's go get one.
Kill one at least, huh?
Yeah. Hopefully a double.
Yeah, maybe a double.
Yeah, we'll see what Tank can bring us.
Yeah, hopefully. I don't know if he can pack too, so we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll test him.
Woke him up from his nap. That son of a bitch looks like that antelope in that pond. Coming this way or just
I don't know. Yeah, he was going to the right, like he went in the creek.
going this way?
Yeah, just heading right. There might be another coyote show up though, because he's looking around.
Coming on right here.
Right in front of me.
Right in front of me. Where's Cal? Where's Cal? Where's Cal? Hunter's got good eyes, young eyes on him. He just spied one. Here he comes. Where's Cal? Where's Cal?
Don't shoot Hunter, let the dogs fight. Where's the coyote?
Where's Cal?
Hey, where's the coyote? Tank, where's the coyote? Tank.
Shh, slow. They'll see it.
Let the dogs go to him.
Hunter, stay on it. Logan, are you on him?
No. No, Hunter's head's in the way.
Are you on him?
No, Hunter's head's in the way.
There we go.
They're chasing him.
Hunter, get swung though. Get swung all the way to the left because he's gonna.
They should bring him back.
Is he coming back? I don't see the coyote.
I see him.
Oh, there he is. Here he comes. Here he comes.
He'll come back.
I don't know. We got this sun on us. I bet we look like it. I can't see what's going on. So.
He's coming up.
Is he coming to us?
Yeah, he's gonna come up on this side over here.
You're probably gonna have to kill him because he's gonna get our wind. Do you see him, Logan?
No, I can't see him. Hopefully Tank brings him back around to the right. He's following Tank just over this bridge. Two more. Where at? Two more. Another pair? Coming out of the creek. Where at? Coming out of the creek. Coming hard? Yeah.
What trees?
Oh yeah,
Oh,
right
here
down.
comes a pair. Here comes a pair.
There's two more here.
Here's a. Where's Tank? I can't see him.
He's up. Which one are you gonna be on?
Champ, where's Cal? We got pandemonium. I better get a shell in, huh? Champ, where's Cal? 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 Get on that left one. Get on that left one. Hunter, get on that left one out there. I don't know why Champ ain't going after him.
Which one are you on, Hunter?
Hunter, shoot that one that's whichever closer.
You're on the left one, Hunter?
Yeah, shoot that one. Then hold on, let's see.
The other guy's pissed.
What the f is Champ doing sitting there?
I don't know. I'm not on any of them now.
I can't see Tank. I can't see
I'm
Tank.
not on any of them. How far is that one?
Here, just wait. Let me.
Don't shoot, Hunter.
You see the Tank? I can't see him.
No, he's over the hill. That coyote's barking.
Yeah, I got him on.
I'm on that one down there.
Don't shoot. Tank might bring.
Hold on, I can't see it.
Here's Tank. Here's Tank.
Tank's right
Okay, get swung over because I'm going to be falling. Make sure Logan's on him. Logan, you might have to get up.
I'll tell you when I'm on him. Here comes Tank. There's going to be a coyote probably close behind him. Watch out for Tank. Stop him. I'm on him. Let him stop him.
There you go.
Good shot, Hunter.
He's doing the flopadistic Ayatollah.
There might be another one.
Might be another one, especially if the dogs go out. Did the dogs go out to him?
Yeah, Tank's on that one.
That's where I was aiming.
Heart shot, there you go. That's a big male.
Yeah, it is. Hey, get back.
There you go. Let's take him back up there, get an interview.
Drop. You're not helping me.
Well, Hunter, good shooting, buddy.
Yeah,
that
thank
was
you.
quite a debacle, but we had 3 come in. There was a 4th down here. I'm pretty sure it was just a big pup. It got the hell out of here, but we had one, probably the babysitter, come way around, getting our wind. Well, the dogs were sitting here and Tank spied it. Well, as I keep saying, Murphy's Law, they're always gonna go to your blind side. So there went Tank, and he was dogging over around the corner here. They had our wind. So we thought, well, it's kind of a busted stand here, so whatever, if I can get Tank pulled around, he'll bring that coyote in. And well, right about that time we were thinking about that, Hunter looked down here in the creek. Here come probably the pair, and come up beautiful, come right up here probably 30 yards from us, and Champ just sat there. He just sat there and watched them. He's never done that. I don't know if it's hot, it's about 90 degrees. They've been going a long time. I don't know what the worst time to have a debacle with your dog happen. So we were kind of scrambling, trying to get spun on them and gonna just shoot them. Well, they had smelled the Fox Pro, that first one, I know, and he busted out. Yep. And this big male went that way, kind of where Tank was. Well, they were over there. I was throwing everything at the kitchen sink, and finally MFK, pup distress, I hit it, and that's when he come out. How far did you end up shooting him?
170.
Yeah, so 170 yards. There you go. Like I said, he's a nice coyote, big coyote, but sometimes that's how it goes. You know, we have an east wind today, and that's the problem with east wind. You're always facing in the sun. You know, the way we set up, if I would do it again, we'd go further up the creek, you know, the way it worked, but it's hindsight. They could have come right across here.
Yeah.
It's just how coyote hunting is. You just never know, and dogs are tired. It's been a long season, but anyway, it's beautiful out here. I mean, how many times you sit here and hunt coyotes and you got the farmer down here cutting grain?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Beautiful. I mean, that's what it's about. We're out here helping the farmers and ranchers kill these coyotes, but ultimately we're ag people, ag at heart, and it's pretty awesome to see these combines running, and just
Here in God's country.
That is God's country. Yeah, and the grasshoppers, that little shaver, he's hanging out. The grasshoppers are unreal this year. That's probably what these coyotes are living on. Partly it's grasshoppers, would be my guess, but
There's enough of them.
yeah, but been a fun morning. It's hot, like I say. Dog didn't work great. Champ kind of spoiled us, probably on a double, but we'll go back, regroup, get him some sleep and some water, and tonight go out and see if we can get 1 or 2 stands in. It's gonna be hot bugger, but that's what happens when just a typical day in August in God's country here. So lights out, everybody.